So today we'll be doing banana mixed with oats porridge step by step. And guys, we're not going to have no water in our porridge. Oh no. So I wanted to show you the evidence. I'm almost done. You notice you're not seeing any water? Porridge this way and I guarantee you it will not have any water. This is our banana. I'm just doing one banana because I'm just making the porridge for myself only. Of course, you would have seen me peel banana before. You can check out some of those videos. This is what I'm doing. Peeling the banana and I'm doing it under the pipe to avoid any stain to my hand. Quite some persons put oil on their hand and all those things, but I don't do that. And see, it's well done. No stain. I'm going to cut them in smaller pieces. I'm going to put them to my blender. So I'm going to put these. So this is our banana. I'm also going to be going in with some oats. Remember guys, I'm only doing it a small amount, so I'm not going to be going in with a whole lot. About one. That should be enough. Then I'm going to go in with some milk. Use the milk to blend. Alright, makes it easier that way. And then we're going to blend it away. So this is now we're going to pour this into the pot. Alright, so here it is. Already our water is boiling. We have a few things inside there. I just put only what I have. So there we're going to pour this in. And when you pour it in, you continue to do this so that it doesn't get any lump. Continue to stir it around. Of course, you're going to have some left in there, so you're going to just add a little water, or if you have any additional coconut milk, you can add it to it, and then you're going to pour it in. We're not going to waste anything, right? You know, we don't waste things around here. I begin to stir this away. As I said, it's not a whole lot of porridge. I'm just doing it for myself, and that's what I feel for today. I catch a little water to it. Do this. It's the Jamaican way, I would say. No, that's what we do. We're not wasting nothing. See? And we get everything out. We're not wasting a thing. Pour it in. And then you just continue the stirring process. So when this is basically done, we're going to add some more spices like our vanilla, cinnamon, and all of that. So I just use what I have. I always tell you, start where you are, use what you have. Let's see what's happening. Wow, look at that, guys. You just continue to stir it because you don't want it to be sticking to the bottom, right? You don't want it to be sticking. Alright, and there is no lumps, nothing at all like that. And you just keep doing this until it's cooked, and you'll know when it's cooked. So I'm gonna go in with some vanilla now because we're almost done. I'm gonna also go in with some more for cinnamon. Then we're gonna also go in with some more nutmeg. Now if you have the authentic nutmeg, that's the best one, but again, just use what you have, guys. Alright, mix it around for 2 minutes or so, and then we're ready to sweeten. We're just gonna go in with just a little bit of condensed milk, not a whole lot, using a small amount, and then just a little tip of sugar. Let me give you a close-up. There we are. This in terms of sugar, not a whole lot. You can taste it to your liking. If it's not sweet enough, then you can add more sugar. You just mix it together, and then you probably can leave this for about 2 minutes, and then your porridge is ready. You notice there's no lump, there's no sticking to the bottom of my pot. That's how you do it, guys. So I want you to take a close-up and look at this. So basically, you would realize our porridge is now done. It's ready. porridge won't get watery. Alright, so we're gonna share this out now. I want you to see that it doesn't have any lumps and it's nothing sticking to the bottom of the pot. So I'm showing you everything. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Alright, and I'm showing you, this is our pot, and this can easily come out. It's not sticking, see it there, not sticking any at all. So that's how you do it, guys. We're gonna serve him up with some crackers. No bread, just some crackers. We are gonna enjoy this one. So if this is your first time, I want to encourage you, subscribe to this channel. And if this is content you're interested in, and if this is not your first time, thank you for joining us. We are going to dive into this porridge. Show you. There you go. See, you don't want it to be too thick, you don't want it to be too thin, and it's really nice and ready. It's not going to be watery, guys. So I wanted to show you the evidence. I'm almost done. You notice you're not seeing any water. No, sometimes when person porridge, you see a lot of water, especially when you reach to the last part. But do your porridge this way, and I guarantee you will not have any water. So go right ahead and subscribe for more recipes like these.